Today I'm sharing with you my easy and authentic Jamaican jerk chicken recipe. This is how we do it in the Caribbean. For the marinade, you'll need 4 chicken thighs or drumsticks. You'll also need 2 scallions, 1 small onion, 3 garlic cloves, 1 scotch bonnet pepper, 1 tablespoon of fresh thyme or 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1 tablespoon of allspice, also known as pimento, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, the juice of 1 lime, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, salt and pepper to taste, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. To make the jerk marinade, add all of these ingredients to a blender and blend until smooth. Pour the marinade over your chicken pieces and make sure they're all coated well. Cover and refrigerate for at least 2 hours or overnight for best results. To cook the chicken, you can either grill it on a barbecue or bake it in the oven at 190 degrees Celsius or 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 to 45 minutes. Or you can sear it in a pan on the stove top and then finish it off in the oven. And that's it. Serve your jerk chicken hot with rice and peas, fried plantains, or a fresh tropical salad.